Hello, Paul is the best for UK here, and welcome to today's Game of Day video. Now, we did Thrust 1 yesterday, so let's do Thrust 2, its sequel, today. So this is a game I've never played. This is by A. Rogers, 1986, from Firebird Software. So let's have a look at this one. So this is a demo mode here. So yeah, you can see a nice little colourful loading picture here. Firebird, there's the grappler and stuff. So let's go for define keys. So O, P, Q, M, space. Okay, yep, so just like I did yesterday. So let's have a look at this one. Okay, so player get ready. Here it comes, scrolls on across. So yeah, the graphics are slightly improved from the original. A little bit more colour in them. Oh shit, a little bit more detail in the environments. So yeah, just like Thrust 1, you're controlling this spaceship, and you've got to use sort of like gravity mechanics and stuff. Oh shit. Right, let's descend down here. You can see there's a bit more detail in the environments on this one. Oh shit, watch out for this guy. Oh, you fuck. So I just ran into the, whatever that is. Okay. Right. I've got to try and find the thing to pick up. Is that it there? Yeah, I got it. Oh shit. Right, okay. Let's try. As you can see, the thing's swinging like a pendulum. You got to be careful because it sort of like affects your weight of your spacecraft as well. Oh, you fuck. Right, okay. At least I've still got the ball. You don't have to re-pick it up again. I don't seem to have any bullets, so I can't shoot him yet. You must have to collect the weapons on this one. Right, let's try and keep it steady. I presume you have to go into space, just like the original. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, shit, where have I got to take it then? Oh, shit. Oh, you fuck. Right, okay. Let's try taking it over to the right. Watch out for this mountain range here. Oh, you booner. Right, okay. Let's see if we can go across. Watching out for... Oh, shit. Shit, 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 shit. I'm out of control. Oh, shit. Wee. Okay, so there's some sort of, like, atmosphere up there, so you... I don't think you go up to the top on this version. Oh shit! Oh, nasty. Right, okay. Oh shit, oh shit. Here we go! Oh, you fuck. Come on. Okay, let's just give this another go. So, yeah, Thrust 2. So, okay. Right, okay, so let's try this again. Right, okay, so I'm going to get down the... Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, come on. Right, okay. Let's see where the chasm is. Oh shit. Right, yeah. No, 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 no. Where you going? Oh shit, dive bomb. Oh, come on. Really? Well, there's one now, actually. Let's try and use some slow speed to try and get it. Right, I got it. I'm gonna try left this time. Whoa, shit. Whoa, shit. What shit? Down hit the ground. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Oh, there's a little bit of a steep incline there, and I didn't realise until it was too late. Okay. Oh, what are you doing? Okay, let's stay up. Let's give it a bit of altitude. Let's stay up. No, 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 no. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay. Right, let's try going across. Oh, shit. No, 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 don't you dare go out of control again. Oh, what? Whoa. Yeah, the mechanics are really good. It really acts realistically. Like you've got something sort of like weighted from your ship. Oh shit, that's another. Okay, let's keep going. See what we got. Okay. Oh, you boona. Okay, I think what you've got to do is land your ball into that flashing square. I'm going to imagine that's what you've got to do. Oh. They're terrible at my games. Really suck bad at games. Okay, so... Okay, there's the flashing square. No, 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 no. Oh, what the fuck? I am absolutely dreadful at this. Oh, come on. No, 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 no. I'm out of control again. Come on, at least let me get it in. Whoa, it's so hard to control, it's unreal. Oh, really? So that was a look at Fuss 2 anyway. I didn't do very well at that game at all. Sort of like a advanced sequel to the original. I think I prefer the original if I'm honest. But yeah, they've done the best to improve on it. And I'm going to give this one 8 out of 10. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.